we present to you an innovative product that is revolutionizing the way we think about stone. Our flexible, natural, Italian-made stone can be applied to any smooth surface for a stunning finish. It can be used for interior and exterior coatings in a design, architecture, renovation, and carpentry industries. It can be applied to any smooth surface such as aluminum, drywall, acrylic, wood, MDF, plywood, and much more. Depending on the area applied, glue and sealant can vary. Update your designs, architecture, reforms, and carpentry with this latest generation technology and add a unique touch to your customer's space.